Howdy do there, sandwich fans. It's Sandwich Dad here, and today, as per request on my live earlier, let's make a tuna melt. The lad's ready. Alright, drained tuna into the bowl. Salt and pepper, juice from a plastic lemon, a little bit of Engelhofer creamy dill mustard. There we go. Some President's Choice mayonnaise, chopped celery, chopped red onion, the pinch of smoked paprika. Mix thoroughly. Then put it on some bread. There we are. I'll top one with smoked flavored cheddar and one with medium cheddar. Alright, smoky shiz and regular shiz. Then under the broiler. Alright then, looks like it's done. And there are our tuna melts. We'll cut them both diagonally just for fun. Not like there's that much of a reveal, it's just cheese and fish. Classic combo. Alright, taste test. Smoky cheddar tastes great, now for the cheddar. What are you doing over there, boy? The tuna melt, a classic. Thank you, Connor, for the suggestion. This is Sandwich Dad saying, good day.